What's up, everyone? Welcome back for another video. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, be sure to hit that button right there and hit the bell too, I guess. Today we are installing shock skid plates on the Colorado ZR2. Here's the truck. Don't worry about the gardening stuff. I was going to try to pull it in the garage, but this car's dead, so I have it on the charger. Let's look. So, those are the shocks right there. That one, and obviously the other one. As you can see, they're one of the lowest hanging things on the car, and we are going off-roading tomorrow. So I ordered these a week and a half ago when we've decided on a date to go off-roading, and then they didn't ship out because they made a revised version, and that took a little while, blah, blah, blah. Came today. Today's Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday, we're going off-roading, so gotta install it today. From my understanding, asking around on the forums, on the Facebook groups, this is kind of a necessary thing to do if you're going off-roading. I'm in the Northeast, and the places that we go to, we're going to Pennsylvania tomorrow. I think it's very rocky, so you obviously don't want to smash your shocks. So, that being said, the shock skid plates that we have are from Datin Fab. Let's put these here. From Datin Fab, they just go on. Thick metal, as you can see, so not gonna have an issue. I read through the instructions on how to install these. It looks very simple, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. Just in case you were wondering, if you were thinking like, I wanna do this, but I might take it to a shop. We'll see how easy it is together. Apparently it's supposed to be very easy. Not even gonna jack the car for this. Some of the tools you're gonna need. 21 millimeter, 18 millimeter. We got the ratchet socket for the ratchet. Got wrenches. Impact gun, I'm probably going to wind up using that. There's a 9/16, I believe there's a small bolt you got to put on, and this one wasn't necessary, but the pry bar, gonna see if I need that at all. The shocks are going to have a little bit of pressure in them, so when you undo the bolt, it's going to try to drop a little bit, so might just use that to pry it back up a little bit. We'll see how it is, but let's get into the truck. Alright, so this is the driver's side. This is gonna wind up sitting up like this. Gotta take this bolt out, send the new one through there, and then there's this piece over here. On the back here, it looks like we're gonna have to put one of these brackets behind and bolt it in. So let's get this bolt out, put the new one in loose, and I'll be right back. Phew, it's a little warm out today. Guess we'll show you quick how it goes on. So you saw that one bolt. Hardest part of all that was lining the strut back up to send the new bolt through. But let me show you how it looks from the other side, and then you'll just duplicate it. Well, first of all, that's the back side of it. Need a little light. Let's see if my cell phone works here. There you go. As you see, that little bracket you send through that tab, that's on your axle assembly, and then you just put the bolt into that. Loctite on the bolt. They give you Loctite. They give you Loctite with the whole system, so it's very, very foolproof. Let me just go bang out the other side, and then we will talk in a minute. Probably be a couple seconds for you, so see you in a bit. And we're back. Once again, super simple. Hardest part, lining the shock up. Let's take a look at the other side too. Got a flashlight with me this time, so it should be a little easier. That's what I look like. This is the back side of the truck, obviously. Another one over here. So that one looks, and now we're protected. All right, so mosquito. So very simple install. If you have a Colorado, I don't know if it's just the ZR2. I had a Z71 and I don't even remember because I never considered going off-roading with it, but the ZR2 specifically, the struts hang low. I don't know why they would design it like that. It is an off-road truck. It's made for off-road usage. I don't know why they would design it where the struts hang low, but they do. So if you're into off-roading, you're gonna consider doing off-roading, shock skids. Now there's, I think, 3 different companies at the moment that makes them. I know Datin's one of them, 598 or something like that, and I think like Rago. From my understanding, they're all the same thing, basically, maybe slightly different design, all very simple install. I went with Datin because I do have over here, that thing is the rack for the bed, and I do put a tent on it to go camping. I have it from them. I like their quality. Their quality seemed really good, so I just went with them to get the shock kits. Simple as that. That's the only reason why. When you install it, one tip I would give, that small bolt that you clamp on, that needs the Loctite, it's a 9/16, well, the head of it's 9/16. I would not use an impact gun for that. I used the ratchet, and you can kind of tell like it probably will strip pretty easily. So Loctite the shit out of it and just use the ratchet to tighten it. Put it nice and hand tight, and then Loctite's gonna hold it in place. Bare minimum tools would be a 21 millimeter socket. If you have an impact gun, even better, and an 18 millimeter open-ended wrench. But you probably could just use an adjustable, channel locks, stuff like that, because the head of the bolt doesn't spin much. You're really just tightening the nut. You could probably even get away with just using the impact gun on the nut, but like I said, those are the bare minimum tools I would use. Pushing the shock back up, a lot easier than I was expecting it to be. I thought it would be a little bit tough, a little bit tougher. Line the bracket up. It's snug, so line the bracket up, make sure the bolt is gonna go through the first hole, then lift your strut into there, and then just make sure you could line it up to send the bolt completely through, and then you're good. You just tighten it up and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that Datin bed rack system, I do have an install video on that. I will link that up here, and probably at the end of the video. Going off-roading tomorrow, so I will be filming. Not sure when those videos are gonna come out, but be sure to subscribe for that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Let's do off-road things and Baja and all that stuff. Truck life.